Luto tayo mga idol ng ulo ng tuna. Biyak na natin yan.
I know you're everything that I've been looking for.
Sasakuha natin.
I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can end, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again.
Bida-bidang bawang at sibuyas. Extra yung ating manok.
I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down.
Bawang sibuyas. Ay, mausok talagang kahoy na yun na maulan. Paiiyakin ka ng usok habang nagluluto. Hindi tayo nakapag-stock ng marami-raming panggatong ng tag-init. Nung maulan na, mausok na tuloy itong panggatong natin mga idol. Yan. Usok ng ating panggatong. Pero malingas pa rin siya kahit basa-basa. Talagang malingas tong panggatong na kinuha natin ng nakaraan. Tawagin dito sa Bicol ay bugos na kahoy. Malingas talaga siya. Kahit medyo